Hello. All right. So this lesson today is going to be a pretty short lesson. So this is basically review. All right. So what do we have to do? We have to give each probability as a simplified fraction, decimal, and percent. So let's go ahead and review our definitions. What is theoretical probability? That is theoretical probability is our desired outcome. I'm going to put it on this side. Our desired outcome divided by the total possible choices that we have. And what is experimental? The experimental, it means I actually did it. So what happened? Experimental is what occurred, what actually occurred. And we're going to divide that by the total number of trials. I know. So don't complain because I have no place else to write it at unless I could have written it up here, but I didn't. All right, so let's go through number one. A number between 1 and 3 is chosen 30 times. Results are shown in the table below. I have for a 1, that came up 8 times, a 2 came up 12, a 3 came up 10 times. So A is find and compare the theoretical probability and the experimental probability of choosing a 2. So in theoretical, that is my desired outcome, what I want. In this case, I want to choose a 2, and I only have 1, 2, 1, 2, and 3 out of the total possible choices that I have. And in this case, sorry, so I want to choose a 2, but I only have 1, 2. Out of my total possible choices, which is a 1, 2, or 3. So that is 1/3. And I'm going to put it in decimals so you can clearly see. So that's 0.3, repeating, and experimental. In this case, what is that, 3/10? Nope. So how many 2s did I have? I have 12. Out of my total possible trials, which is 30. And when I put that in my decimals calculator, give me just a second. So 12 divided by 30, that comes out to 0.4. Yep, I got 30. And as so when we compare 0.3 repeating is actually less than 0.4. So in this case, the experimental is greater than the theoretical. Find and compare the theoretical probability and experimental probability of spinning an egg. So let's see, I want an egg, which is 1, 2, 3. So my desired outcome is 3 A's. So I got 3 chances to get an A out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that is 3/12, which is 1/4 or 0.25 over my expected. It says the spinner below is spun 60 times And the results are shown in the table. So how many times did I get an A? That was 18 over a total of 60. Let me go ahead and, so what is 18 divided by 60? That is 0.3. And if we compare 0.25, it's actually less than 0.3. So again, our theoretical is less than the experimental, or what actually happened when we pulled it. Find and compare the theoretical and experimental of not spinning an A. Right? So if I did not spin an A, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So in theory, I have 9 out of a possible 12. So 9 out of 12 is 75%, 0.75. And not choosing an A is that would be 44. No, 42. 20 plus 22 is 42. So that would be 42 divided by 60. Is 0.7 or 70%. So in this case, the theoretical 0.75 is actually greater than what we actually spun, which is 70%. All right, and number 3, I believe that is your independent practice. So you've seen how to do the first 2. This is number 3. Let me know if you have any questions. And I'm going to hold it here for just a minute for those of you that did not get your notes. I think that should be good. Thank you.